Hello gardeners. Today I will show you how to make a device that will be useful to absolutely all those who are now growing seedlings. As it will facilitate your work in caring for seedlings. And it will be intended for watering seedlings. I think it's no secret to anyone that watering seedlings at this stage of growth, when they are very small, is quite simple. But it's a completely different thing when you grow a large number of seedlings, and these seedlings are already transplanted into cups. Here the volume of soil is much larger, and, accordingly, more watering is needed. And also due to the fact that the cups are in several rows, it is very difficult to reach the extreme ones, especially if grown in a rack. Therefore, watering itself becomes more complicated, takes more time and effort. Of course, you can use a bottle with a cork that is designed for athletes, but as you can see, it is inconvenient to water from it. No matter how hard you try, it splashes water, and accordingly, when watering the distant rows, you will simply splash your entire rack. Or the place where you grow seedlings. But of course there is a way out. Now I will show you how easy it is to make a cool watering can for watering seedlings. And absolutely anyone can do it. Since to create it we need an ordinary ballpoint pen in a plastic 2-liter bottle. First of all, we need a cork from it, in which we will need to make a hole, and first we need to find out the diameter of the drill that suits us. In my case, as you can see, the diameter of the handle is 8.14 millimeters. Accordingly, I take a drill with a diameter of 8 millimeters. Since the cork is plastic and the handle is plastic, a slightly larger diameter of the handle will easily fit into smaller holes, and with the help of a drill I drill a hole in the cork. Also, if you do not have such a tool at hand, you can take a nail, heat it over a fire and pierce a hole in the cork. Only, as I said, the diameter needs to be made a little smaller. As you can see, the body of the pen fits into the hole with ease. Then we don't need the handle itself. The case itself is important to us, so I chose from all the pens that I had at home, with just such a case, just to disassemble it and get a regular tube about 4 inches long. If you don't have those, then you can use a hacksaw for metal from any ordinary pen, make a tube. Now insert it into the hole and center it. In principle, we do not need to do it perfectly, since we do it for ourselves. Please note that the handle tube should enter the depth of the cork a little. Since further for our watering can to work normally, we need to use a glue gun. This is the easiest option. Fix the tube in the cork so that water does not pass through the cracks during irrigation, but only leaked through the tube. As you can see, gluing with a glue gun is the best option. And the hands are clean and the glue hardens quickly. Well, now let's start testing, and check in practice how good this watering can is. Look at the same seedlings and how easy it is to water. Please note that due to the fact that I sealed the hole well in the cork, water does not pour out under vacuum. So there will be no splashing. Especially if you do it very carefully. As you can see, it is very easy to water. You can constantly put pressure on the bottle and pour out water, or you can do it with small stops, stop pressing on the bottle and draw air into it. Accordingly, we easily dose the right amount of water. Do not spill it past the pots. And we can also use such a device to reach the farthest pots in our rack. So friends, be sure to make yourself such a tricky device to make your life easier. And look at all these pots with seedlings, of which there are 24 things. I only used 2 pints of water. Accordingly, using a larger bottle we make our life much easier by saving a lot of time on watering. We can put the time we save to good use. For example, by watching other useful videos on my channel, or just relax. So to whom the information from this video was useful, be sure to like it. Do not forget to share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. I wish you a good day. See you in new videos. Bye.